today this is a new video of me trying Flair Bartending because my friend Steven made 2 other tutorials and I think it was fun. So if you've not seen the other tutorials, I will link it up there so you can watch it. We will start with the forearm roll and I will show you the tutorial before so you can see what to expect. I will put it here.
Channel. Today we were talking about the forearm roll. You can do it front ways, back ways. Choose it, I will explain it.
I think I need to remove my ring and my huge wrist cuff because I don't think that will go well. And let's do that on both hands because I might need to switch like usual. Okay. So again, I'll try to not break anything in my new fantastic studio. Let's go.
Let's get started. Put shaker in the middle of the arm, roll it backwards, it will roll in the same direction as it will roll down the arm. If you keep the open side to the back, it will always roll inwards. Keep it to the front, it will always roll backwards, so keep that in mind.
Let's try the other hand maybe.
This is not one of the easy tricks, so this will take a little time.
I think it was better in the beginning, was it? Well, so for the next trick it was called the Red Bull trick and I actually don't like Red Bull. So I went to the Japanese grocery store and I found one of those tiny cans and it's amazake. It's actually a special drink that they have in Japan and I drank it in the temple at midnight in New Year's Eve last year, 2 years ago when I was in Japan. I was talking about this drink to my boyfriend the other day and when I saw it in this tiny cup, perfect for this trick, I thought, yeah, amazing, so then I will be able to try it. So again, I will put the tutorial here so you can see what it's all about and then I will attempt it.
Hand like this, apply pressure while turning and opening the hand. The can will stick to your hand and you can pour it straight into the glass.
Okay, so you have to squeeze your hand like that and turn the can. Does it work? Almost. It needs to be like a vacuum so you can make it stick. Almost. Don't open a can before because this is really tricky. Okay, it almost sticks, but it always open. I don't know if it's because the can is too small, too big. Is it too big? Okay, I see it like, you know, do it like a vacuum. Doesn't work. It says that it works best if your hand is wet, so maybe a little bit of condensation here can make it wetter. Well, let's try it with the other hand. Okay, it does stick for a second, but then when I open it, I make some air and then it doesn't work. Guys, I think this is a fail. I really cannot make it work. It does, okay. Almost. If I was going to pour it, I would have put it everywhere. But it almost stuck for at least a second. Okay. Yeah. You have to be super quick or to find a way. Okay, maybe I need to go deeper. And roll it more, I don't know. Okay, the game makes it like, see, like amazingly possible to pour it. I could not even pour it. That would have been a disaster. I don't want to pour anything here. I dropped tea once here and it was basically just mostly like water because it was like the 6th or 5th tea I had done with the same, and it was super light. Really? My hand is going to be all red. Well, let's call it a fail and I'm not able to do that. I really wanted to do it. There's no way I'm going to open it, because if I see it like in just a few seconds, it already unstuck from my hand, so I really cannot take the time to open it with the wrong hand, and it will definitely just unstuck it again. So too dangerous, I think, but this is a cool idea, and this is something that people can try at home maybe, but don't open the can before, please don't. Well, this is a fail. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video of me trying weird stuff from my friend on Firework, and if you have not yet, please join me on my Firework. There's a link in the description, and I do a lot of different content on Firework than on YouTube, and it's 30-second videos. You can turn, you can have super cool effects, and this year I decided that I will do my wardrobe video only on Firework. Maybe I will do a compilation from the Firework videos on YouTube later, but if you want to see one video a day with a full detail on one of each of my dresses, go to Firework. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye!